How to make leopard animal print. First step, you want shade yellow color to all places. So then here and there you mix and shade orange color. So yellow and orange color you mix here and there. So after dried that, take brown colors and black color. So brown and black mix together. Brown and black colors you want to mix together. You can use palette. You can use palette to mix that both colors. So after mixed that, you want to make like a capital letter C, English capital letter C. Just you make it stroke. Just to make a stroke like C. Make a stroke like C. Wherever you need, you can make like C options. So that places fully you can make here and there like C. So one or two places you can do opposite side also. Stroke only, no need to draw C. Just to make a stroke. Yeah, make stroke. Yeah, that's all. We are going to finish. Yeah, thank you friends. I hope this video it will help you. Thank you for watching.